Hey guys, it's Jason here with Grand Teton Harley. We've got the new Pan America here. We're going to be putting on all the accessories that Harley has come out with for this, so it should turn out pretty cool. So the first thing we did on this was installed the Harley's taller riser kit. It allows a little more height on the handlebars for taller riders. That way when you're standing up in the saddle, you're not hunched over near as bad, keeps you from kinking up. Next, we did auxiliary lights on the front. This will give you daylight basically all the time. Trails, highway, anything at night, this is gonna light it up. You got 4 different settings on these. We installed a Garmin Zumo XT on the handlebars, mounted to the handguard bracket itself. That way it's out of the way of the infotainment system. It's not blocking anything and it's right in your face. We installed new heated grips, a little more grip than the stock ones, but they are still heated, keep you nice and warm. We installed all the guards on the front. We went with the headlight guard, radiator guards. After the radiator and headlight guards, we installed the full skid plate underneath. Super nice skid guard. It's a lot thicker, a little more heavy duty than what the factory had on it, but it's meant to take some abuse. We installed a little bigger and heavier duty grippy pegs, which is nice. They're a little wider, so your feet has a little more platform to stand on, gives you a little more grip. With that, we also installed a different shift peg. This is kind of the same. It's 80 grit, nice shift peg. Another thing that we added in for comfort was the rubber pads on the side of the gas tank. Absorb some of that vibration, and then when you're standing up in the saddle and your knees are resting on the side of your tank, got a little more grip to it. We added the tall boy seat. Once again, taller guys, we need that extra room. So we also installed the better off-road tire that Harley's offering for these. They're the ANAKEE Wilds through Michelin. Great knobby. Looks like this thing is made for any terrain. The other thing we added was the new higher flow exhaust system. Got the carbon fiber tip on there with the titanium body. Beautiful, sounds amazing. Get a little better performance. The weight on this exhaust is a lot lighter than the factory. So I think besides the sound, you're gonna be saving a lot of the weight, which is gonna, at the end of the day, make things run a little bit better. The other thing we added were the panniers on the back. Nice black aluminum. We did the side bags and the tour pack. These things are great. Along with that, it came with the heavy duty docking hardware. The bag's super strong. 2 locks per bag, great heavy latches, and lots of room inside. On the tour pack, we also installed the passenger pad that mounts to it. So if you are carrying someone on the back, they're not just rested up against that aluminum box. They'll thank you for it. So with these nice panniers, we also installed Harley's bag inserts. They're a very nice, very well-fitting bag that slides down inside of these. Have handles on them, so when you've got a little weight in them, you can get them up out of the bag. Keeps them a little more waterproof, holds a lot of cargo. We also installed a nice tank bag. Mounts on top of this here tank. Lots of storage in there. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this. We managed to turn a beautiful stock Pan America into a monster. We've thrown almost every accessory you can at it, and I think it is ready for anything that you can put it through. Hopefully it helped give you some ideas with what you can do with yours, and thanks for watching.